The wait is over.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. I am Liam, and for this episode, I have brought to you guys TSW's finest, Jez Rivera. Welcome to your first unboxing, and we will be talking and discussing and reviewing the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle Cell colorway covered. So these actually leaked around this time last year. Jez, do you remember the first time you saw these?
I remember seeing like in-hand shots around April time. Saw in-hand shots from Sneaker Jams, I believe.
Yeah, I think in that picture was like the clouds were like, no, it was a blue sky. I think we reposted on IG and it got about maybe like 20k plus likes, which is huge. So I know the community was feeling it. Then I saw some on-foot looks from Wide Weight Earthquake. You get another shout out again because we posted this. She was wearing like some Gucci trousers with it and it popped on the gram. So I knew the community were feeling it. And this was way back in June. So it's been pushed back. I think it was meant to drop in October, pushed back again, then it was meant to drop in December, pushed back again, and we finally may have the release date coming very soon. Jez, do you mind telling the people when it could be dropping?
So the new release date is meant to be the 10th of March, so fingers crossed they actually do release. But yeah, let's get into unboxing.
Let's do it. So funny enough, the box.
Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in your standard Sacai box with a glossy Nike logo on the top and the split Nike logo on the sides.
Alright, first impressions to me, Jez, I can't lie, this is a boat. This is massive. This is a size 8. Look how big it is. It's bigger than your head, fam.
Yeah, no, these are pretty wham, but I have to say these are really clean in hand compared to like online images. These are very clean. Yeah,
actually, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is the best pair so far. I think in terms of colorway, very clean. I like that it's nylon, not mesh, because I'm not really a fan of the mesh versions. Yeah, colorway is sick.
This is the first time we're actually seeing a neutral black colorway for the Vaporwaffles as well.
It's quite wild, isn't it? That they had the sesames, they had the fuchsia pinks. So this one, I feel, and of course we got to talk about the triple black one as well. So both of them are like the most cleanest colorways so far.
Both have a gum sole as well.
So of course this comes in the kind of Sacai standard Nike collaborations, but one thing I must say is that the double swoosh is kind of subtle on this one, so it kind of sits outside the midsole, and you have to really squint to see it, so I kind of like that, but still the same thing with the tongue and the double laces as well.
Okay, for those who may not know, the Vaporwaffle is actually a mixture of two Nike silhouettes, so the Vaporfly and the Pegasus.
Midsole, it does look like two soles have been stuck together, giving it kind of like a duck aesthetic, can't lie.
Yeah. Sorry. And you can also see the Nike Sacai branding on the insole and the outer sole. Okay, so let's talk comfort. I've actually got the black and white pair from the OG releases, and the comfort for me is 10-10. What about you, Lim? Do you have any pairs?
Yeah, I had a pair of the fuchsia pinks. The support system on this is immense, so yeah, definitely worth copying. As already mentioned, this is probably my favorite colorway of this silhouette so far. Because it's a lot more neutral, I think you have more options. So Jez, how would you style these up?
I think I would definitely style these with like a pair of cargos or like general workwear fits. Yeah, what about you?
I think just monochromatic fits, all black, all white. I'm kind of basic in it, so that's what I'll be styling with. Alright, so obviously this is a very strong release. So where does this rank in your 2010?
2010.
2010, yeah, we're back, baby.
So obviously this is a very strong release. So Jez, where does this rank in your 2022 releases?
We're still early into the year, but this is definitely massive heat, and I know everyone agrees with me too, but we still have a lot to look forward to for the rest of the year.
This is the biggest release of the year, 2022, I'm saying it now. No one's be better prepped than this. I'm letting you know from now. This is the best pair of the year, 2022. Alright, so we know the release date at the moment is the 10th of March, but what's the retail looking like, Jess?
So these are going to retail for £165, and they're looking to resell for about £300 to £400.
So if you need any help with sizing, we would recommend going true to size. But if you need more help, click the I button and it will take you directly to the Size Guys page.
So this is going to be the biggest
release of the year.
So don't miss out. I've been Jez. This has been Alim.
Thanks for watching. If you like this pair, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next unboxing where we'll be doing the Jordan 4 infrared.